Hello, this is Rachel Evelyn, and today I'll be presenting on the different options for funding long-term care. Long-term care services are provided to individuals who are physically unable to care for themselves due to various reasons such as age, accidents, chronic conditions, or stroke. Long-term care can be facilitated in the individual's home through adult day health care or through assisted living facilities and nursing homes. During this presentation, I will be discussing the various options for funding long-term care. The first option to cover long-term care is to have a family member do it for free and pay for it yourself. 1 Timothy 5 verse 8 states, "Anyone who does not provide for their relatives, and especially for their own household, has denied the faith and is worse than an unbeliever." I think if you have the means to take care of your family members, you should do whatever you can to help them. My mother took care of my great-grandmother who had Alzheimer's, and that included helping her with day-to-day tasks. My mother loved it because she got to spend time with her grandmother every day, but some people can experience burnout while providing this kind of care to their family members. If a person does not have family members to take care of them, but they would like to remain in their homes, there are other in-home services available to them, such as home health aides and adult day healthcare services. This option might not be that affordable for everyone. In 2017, the hourly rate for home health aides was $21.50 an hour. The next option for funding is through Medicaid. According to Chertoff 2013, Medicaid currently pays 62% of national long-term care costs, but most seniors are not eligible for Medicaid assistance with long-term care until they exhaust or spend down their personal finances first. All 50 states and the District of Columbia offer self-directed Medicaid services for long-term care, but they all have different requirements regarding benefits, coverage, and eligibility. This means that Medicaid provides waivers to people, allowing them to manage their own home care services to include hiring a family member to provide their care. The Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services require the member requesting self-directed services to go through an assessment to find out their needs, creating a written service plan detailing what caregivers will have to do, and creating a budget for their care and selecting a caregiver. The next option is by purchasing long-term care insurance. Long-term care insurance can be provided to cover access necessary to cover long-term services. They provide benefits in your home, nursing homes, or assisted living. Individuals can purchase this on their own, or they can get coverage through their employer. One benefit for employers is that if they provide this coverage to employees, they get a tax deduction. Another benefit to long-term care insurance is that people don't have to depend on getting approval for assistance through Medicaid and transferring their assets to become eligible. One con is that these insurance companies can increase premiums and reject applicants due to pre-existing conditions. This concludes my presentation on long-term healthcare financing options. Thank you for listening and have a great day.